How to be confident on video. This one is my favorite. It's something I struggled with. And the one thing that I did with this to get more confident on video was, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you got to watch the whole video. I promise you. There's tons of golden nuggets. So don't forget to like and subscribe. How to get confident on video. So these 3 tips that I'm going to share are pretty basic, but I mean, it's all you need. So for me, at the beginning, I hated talking on video. I hated talking on camera. Like right now, I'm looking into my camera. And I wasn't always like this. But when I decided I wanted to go full guru mode and full social media mode, I decided to start doing quote of the day on my Instagram account. And I would just do one quote. I'd be like, hey, this is what I read today. This is what I heard. And this is what I feel. And I'd just talk about it till I was done. And I went on my walk and I'd hold my phone and I'd talk. And I did that every day for about 35 days or something. And that got me really, really comfortable. And you may be uncomfortable for one way or another. So another way to make yourself more comfortable is write out what you're thinking about. And then I have it hashed out. And then you can talk about it on video. If you think you're ugly, guess what? Everybody's ugly, in all reality, except those chicks on TikTok and Instagram. But they're not real. They edit their shit all the time. So don't even worry about it. They ain't real. What else would it be? I would also tell you to, man, you guys are gonna hate this, but go do it, because none of these people are paying you. Only people that matter are people that paying your bills. The only way people are going to pay your bills is if they know who you are. And it's sometimes we got to bite the bullet and get after it. If we don't, then learn shit else we can do. So the number one thing I tell you to do is just get in front of a camera and talk shit. That's the way I tell everybody. I got in front of a camera and I talked shit for almost 60 days. And that's what I did. And it made me a lot more comfortable to start making more and more and more content and making videos like this. And speak on something that you are confident about and that you have know-how on. If you're just trying to talk and you don't know and you feel imposter syndrome is a big thing, don't worry about it. I still feel like an imposter. Right now I feel like an imposter. But if you're talking about something that you know the subject matter, it'll increase your confidence and it'll eliminate that, oh my God, do I want to do this? Is someone going to call me out? I guarantee you some random loser in the fucking comments is going to call you a dumbass and whatever shit. You can go through my comments. Some dude said about my shit, this is the reason you are people are going to be unhappy because of raw content like this. And I was okay. It looks like you still live in your parents' basement. Okay. Again, the dude doesn't pay my bills and I talk shit back. But people are going to say shit back to you. Don't even fucking worry. Just keep on pushing because they don't pay your bills. And that's all. For me, they don't pay my bills. They can talk shit, but they're in their mom's basement. Even if they make more money than me and they call me out for saying this, more money than me, or they're more knowledgeable in one area, blah, blah, blah. It's a learning experience. That's all it is. It's just a failure that you can bounce back from. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for being part of the winning family.